'Cause I know.
This is another day or continuation of my vlog, and today is Saturday, and today is month of April na. It's April 4th, and it's already 1:07 to be exact. And as you can see, I'm in SM. This is SM Lashon. And I've bought some personal needs, and then I'm supposedly be doing my donation drive part 2 today. Unfortunately, due to time constraint, my supplier and I decided to have it next week instead, so that we would be able to prepare much and we would be able to share. And if ever that there are some people who would like to donate, they can still do so. And also we are still waiting if we can get a sponsorship for vitamins for our frontliners. So hopefully cross fingers guys, we would be able to get that spot. And para aside from the food that we are giving out or snacks, they will also have these vitamins that would help them boost their system, as they are 24/7 on field. There are times that they don't have enough sleep. They only have 5 minutes just to take a nap, or 10 minutes. We really don't know what's going on field 24/7, but just to try to position ourselves on their shoes, it's really hard, and they are really sacrificing a lot. So salamat sa mga nag-support and nagtuo sa akong objective, and salamat po sa mga taong negative kayo ang thinking regarding my donation drive. It's okay not to support me. Hindi ako nanghihingi, hindi ako namimilit. It would really up to you, and kung ano yung ginagawa ko ngayon, I'm happy. So judge me to the hell I care. Wag lang din sana magdilang anghel ang dila ko na wag kayo ma-COVID. So yun lang. So kung wala ka rin, kung ayaw niya sa ginagawa ko, it's fine. You don't need to hindi nyo na kailangan magparinig, hindi nyo kailangan iparamdam sa akin na parang mali yung ginagawa ko, because I don't see anything wrong to what I'm doing right now. And as far as I can see na, and as far as I know na may natutulungan ako, it's totally fine with me. And that's much more important than to hear you out na puro reklamo, puro negative. I mean, so yeah, that's it. I'll try to roam you around in the city if makalusot tayo. And then as to how Mother Earth na nakaginhawa jud siya, naka-breathe siya. No noise pollution, no heavy traffic. For me, it's a very good thing. So guys, keep on watching, and I know that you've been bored, and I hope na you have, with these videos that I made, you now have the idea kung ano na ang nangyayari sa labas ng bahay. So, yan. So, keep watching, guys. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe, like the thumbs button out there, comment down below, and please ding 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 ding, click the notification bell so that you will always be updated to my latest uploads. And share my videos and help me guys na maka 1K subs na tayo for this year. Hindi ako nagmamadali, but more supporters, more way of mas marami tayong matatap na tao to help throughout sa ating mga future na mga donation drive projects. So, yan muna guys, and keep on watching. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in Barbecue Boss, Talamban. Actually, boundary na siya ng Banilad and Talamban. And as you can see, no, wala ka ayoy sakyanan. And we all know nga kini siya nga street is very traffic. So, but now as you can see, wala kayo. Na ay checkpoint actually prior going here. Nakaagita og checkpoint sa may Tintay, Talamban. So, siya guys. So, see, sa side mirror ako lang pamanahan. So, makita siya nga very free-flowing ang dalan. Guys, I don't drive while gatake og video, so that's why I stopped and then I took this video para you will have the visibility, and then naiuban ga walking, naiuban ga bike. Ganahan ko mag-cut on guys og bike, but still dili ko ka mao. O ko mao mag-bike guys. But ganahan ko mag-cut on sa dog motor. So diba? How ironic. But anyhow, there are still food stores open, and they don't let the customers dine in. Everything is takeout. So guys, I'm now in Banilad. I'm in BTC in front. And then next ani is ang Gaisano Country Mall. So see, it's very flowing, no traffic, wala kay makitaan nga mga pedestrian. Doon ay duha na nagkuyog bata. Ang usa na yung mask, I think ang usa wala. And then ang mga guards. So BTC. So guys, karon na ako sa IT Park. Dili na ako ka-familiar sa ubang building dire, but kini siya, kining blue one, kini kay JP, that's for sure. And then kini, I think bagko man siya mall, but wala na ko paano kung isa na siya nga mall with condo, basta mauna siya guys. So very mingaw, even ang IT park. And so diba? So hinihinay lang pa. Dragons. Golden Prince and Qualphone. Oh, okay. So, which means nga na mga BPO or other companies opted to rent a bus. I think that's much better idea. If ever nga gimahalan manggani sila to rent for a month or two for a van, and at the same time medyo sikit-sikit kaayo, and then gamay ra, most especially that we are on social distancing, na we need to make sure na everyone is following that. So this one is Teleperformance Guadalupe route. Van. So, Food Panda does exist. Okay sila. Yala Block. Central Block sa Kumbaga. There are people walking, wearing mask, protective mask.
Breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space. In my head it was empty.
Here is the Magellan's Cross, the Santo Niño Church. Money ang luyo guys. And grabe kami. Take note guys, it's Saturday. And normally during weekends, naghanakid tao po diri magsimba, managpot, mga on, malaag. Look at it now. Even the McDonald's. Wala kay sakinan guys. I was able to enter Cebu City guys.
We have a purpose, but to take that leap you must recognize.
Alright, so kining adalan guys is going to Bulacau. Padong dito guys, Padong Bulacau, Pardo, Tabunok. And then if Padong diri kay going to Minglanilla, Naga, Karkar. So as you can see, mo ni ka ng pagliko na ko gikan sa SRP ni Agi. So there is one checkpoint sa SRP and then straight na. So still the same, wala kay sakinan, wala kay mga tao. And then not traffic, and then ang yang kainit guys, dili siya ganyan nga init because congested kayo ang dalan and then daghan kaayo tao and sakyanan. But right now, naka-less aircon ko sa sakyanan. I don't feel init. As in, wala ko gareklamo or anything. So far, so good akong experience while driving you guys and letting you see around the city. So nice. So I'll give you an update after Army. I don't know kung asa ko stop, but I'll let you know.
The person that's inside.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need
wanna see the light.